when you subscribe to our channel, click on the red subscribe button and be sure to ring the bell so you get notified every time we have a new video. Thanks again. Guys, Mike here with StoneCoatCountertops.com. I'm with Thornton and Erica, artisttilldeath.com. Where are you guys coming from?
Dallas, Texas.
Dallas, Texas, out in Oregon. You've been to Oregon before. We've done some collaborations together before.
Yes.
You came back, and we're going to do some fun things this week.
We're going to do some awesome stuff.
So you saw our copper patina piece.
Yes.
And you liked it, but you said, man, what about some teal? What about some different colors as that? Now, you talked about a truck that was in your mind.
Yeah,
what were you talking about?
An old truck out in the field. It was, you know, the old turquoise color that's been sitting out there for 25 years. It's just got all that beautiful color, all that rust and patina, and they all combine together, make a beautiful combination.
I'll put the copper in, we'll mix it, we'll trowel it, we'll chop it, and then you're taking it from there. You cool for that?
Let's do that.
Now, you guys taught me to put the metallic in first, and I never remember.
It's always at this point that I remember this is not gonna work.
Right when you start stirring it, it's just like poof.
So we're using our Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy at a 1-to-1 ratio. We'll mix for 2 minutes using a drill, but first, so that this doesn't poof, I'll kind of shove it down there with a paint stick. So you've been creating art how long, guys?
It's been 4 years.
Yep.
Nice. And you're on YouTube. You can be found at artisttilldeath.com and then Artist Till Death on YouTube.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
And you guys go live a lot.
Every single day.
Daily.
And just teach people how to do what you do.
Yeah.
That's awesome. So now you guys are gonna chop it.
Chop it up.
It gives you a really cool effect. And then I use that heel and let it spread.
I like that starburst look it gives.
Yeah. And then I just do it randomly.
We're good at random.
Yep, you got it. It's created a reservoir kind of over those edges.
Yeah.
So I'll either take my gloved hand or that brush and just brush those out. This is a cool look.
I love that.
You can just drag stuff and give it dimension. That does look cool with the different color in there too.
He wants like mostly teal with.
Oh, got it, yeah.
This looks great.
So that's a cool, like I like breaking it and then chopping, leaving sporadicness. That's cool, man.
So a lot of times we do like test on a piece and then we end up just finishing it later just to see what we like best. Areas of it are going to be a test until he finds something he likes, and then we're going to do it over the
That looks cool. I like that
piece.
color actually better.
Same.
Hey, what's up everyone? Hope you're enjoying the video so far. In this portion of the project, we're just testing different colors and techniques to see what we like best. So coming up, you're gonna see a quick highlight of us playing around, and then once we figure out what we like, we're gonna re-chop it and then start over. Also, we wanted to save you a trip to the store, so make sure to check out StoneCoatCountertops.com and see all the spray paints that we now have in stock. We'll see you there.
Hey guys, you wanna see how this bad boy was made? Stick to the end, watch Erica do her magic.
I think you should do it in quarter sections so that the gold doesn't dry too fast.
Good idea. Nice. I think that looks cool, where it laced it like that. That looks pretty natural. I do like some of that different yellow gold. Like that's what you get with oxidized metal, man. I'm gonna put a little bit of gold right in here.
Spray that gold right down where I'm doing all this.
Right here?
No, yeah, that. Nice.
Like there?
Yeah. There we go.
That's cool. Dude, that's just proof of layer it, man.
Yeah, just
layer
keep on
color.
Just
keeping
work
on.
with it. If
Seriously,
it's
I mean,
not doing what you want it to
because
do.
if it's too simple, it looks man-made. When you straight, we did a lot, and we got some cut. Like, look at, I like that sitting on top of the gold, man.
Me too. If you really want to do it really nice, I think do the copper. Do the
Real teal.
real teal, then the light blue.
Oh, seafoam and gold spray paint, and then the real teal and gold
Over the top over it.
alcohol.
And
Yes.
I think we did some reverse order of that, but you could see down like through to each layer, like this, the paint slide in, and you see into the true copper, and some of those areas look really cool. So I think the layers give it's like cheating. So if something stands out like you don't like it, just layer it with something else.
Keep at it.
All right, what are we gonna call this color?
fun.
What is this, man?
Aqua Patina,
Countryside patina.
I like
rustic patina,
that. I like Aqua Patina.
aqua patina.
Aqua patina.
Aqua Patina with the country twist. Guys, you saw it here. Aqua Patina with a country twist. Man, this was fun, guys.
All right, guys, color coat's all done. Tomorrow we're gonna come back and do a clear coat with the same Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy. Oh, and real quick, shout out to Rhonda Draculis with RK3 Designs. Go check her out on our website and on YouTube. She was actually our inspiration for making this Aqua Patina piece. So thanks, Rhonda, for killing your craft, and we hope you like this piece. Time to let this color coat dry overnight. Come back tomorrow and get started.
I dig this piece.
Is it
It's
great?
dry. It's ready for a flood coat. We don't put a flood coat on every sample that we make, but this one, I'm interested to see the differences because you obviously see the sheen difference in the paint that's sitting on top.
Yeah.
And again, as a countertop, you wouldn't want paint as your finished surface.
For sure.
So we're gonna do a clear coat. We're gonna chop it, we're gonna trowel it, we're gonna torch it. We're gonna do a clear coat at the same ratio we did yesterday, a 1-to-1 ratio. We're gonna mix for 2 minutes using a drill, and we're gonna see what this looks like.
Beautiful.
All right, let's torch this thing.
Torch it.
Guys, clear coat is good when you're gonna make countertops
Very
art.
nice.
It's not necessary, it's totally up to you. Visit artisttilldeath.com. Go check out their YouTube channel. They're gonna teach you how to make functional art in ways that you never imagined. ATD.com. Well, that's actually not it, but it sounds
Tried to
cool.
buy that.
Visit us anytime at stonecoatcountertops.com. Call anytime for free project support. Until next time from Stone Coat Countertops. You got this. We'll see you on the next video. I said